Join me for the latest Christmas diary on the Daily Connoisseur. Hello dear friends, and welcome back. This is our 5th Christmas video of the season, and while I've shown lots of festivities and beautiful activities, I need to keep it real too. So this time of year is often a time of burnout for many people, especially women. We do get to take part in the magic of the season, but we are often the facilitators, the gatekeepers of all the magic. We are orchestrating everything, making sure it all goes to plan, cooking, decorating, writing cards, entertaining, and managing the kids' activities, not to mention everything with the home. So I tend to suffer from major burnout 2 times a year, the end of the school year, and also, you guessed it, Christmas time. I wish it wasn't like this. I really do. And I tried several experiments this time of year to prevent this as much as possible, but the stress was still there. I've actually been suffering from vertigo a bit this season, which is, if you've never experienced it, horrible. So that's been something that has made life a challenge recently. I do believe it's a call from my body to slow down and just stop. I find that nature always helps. Even before I wrote this script, I went outside with a cup of tea and just looked at the bees, which always calm me down because they're so content just doing their work. Do you know what I mean? They just don't seem to be under stress, and they're still getting a lot of stuff done. So I don't know what I need to learn from the bees, but I know there is a lesson there. Well, we'll get back to these thoughts in a minute, but for now, let's enjoy some deep winter comfort food, my famous pot roast. Okay, I actually make this all year round, not just in deep winter, but it truly is most delectable this time of year. I always like to season my chuck roast with salt and pepper, and then I coat it with flour. Then I sear it in a pan over medium-high heat to brown it on all sides. Then I spray my crock pot with cooking spray, and I lay down some roughly chopped onions and the chopped potatoes to form a bed. Then I place the roast on top that's been browned on each side, and on top of that, I place the celery and carrots, a pack of onion soup mix, and any juices from the pan, and that's it. I cook this on low for 8 hours, or sometimes high for 3 or 4 hours, but today I did it on low. And this just makes the most perfectly delicious meal. Everyone always loves this one. I'm going to make a few bouquets for other rooms in our house now. Usually when I make these bouquets, they're for the dining room table, but I like to add a pop of color and fresh florals to unexpected places too. For example, I love to surprise my daughters with fresh flowers for no reason at all, and they always love that. But I'm going to take some time to put together various Christmassy bouquets now and just be in the elements. I'm always aware of the birds around me. I think a lot of them watch me because I'm the provider of their favorite food. I fill that bird feeder a few times a week, and after I do, I ring the wind chime bells to let them know that the food is there. I tend to take it down at night too, so mice don't get to it. I've seen that happen before. So every morning they see me put the food up, and I wonder what they think of me. Am I like some magical fairy godmother to them? Do they talk about me amongst themselves? Okay, I know I'm still arranging flowers, but let's go farther along the rabbit hole here. Birds obviously communicate to each other through their chirping, so what are they saying? Surely they talk about us humans every now and then. Wouldn't you love to know? Here are the bouquets, and now come around the house with me as I place them in different rooms. It's a new day and I'm back outside wanting to observe the birds and one of my other nature friends who makes a special appearance.
There are dozens of little yellow birds hidden in the trees right now. It's like a game of hidden pictures. It's hard to see them, but they're there. Let's see if I can zoom in on one. Oh, there's one, for example. Okay. They're too fast for me. And as I'm sitting here, the rabbit is there. Look, there he is. Wait, can you see him? It's right there. I just hopped through the fence. There he is.
And here are a few more shots from daily life, including our Christmas puzzle, a few meals and treats we've had, and we did some gingerbread houses, of course, too.
Having my lunch with Mr. Squirrel. You're gonna see my lunch? Sorry, it's zoomed in.
I'm just taking comfort in all the daily and yearly rituals that we do. So as I was filming this, I was feeling better and I was just peeling potatoes for a comfort food dinner I was making. Yes, I've been trying to pay deep attention to my nervous system as we go through the season, just noticing when I feel stress, and of course if I'm not feeling well, honoring that too. If you're feeling overwhelmed this Christmas, that you're able to heal from burnout, even if that means saying no to things, going slower and resting no matter what. I truly hope that for you. So here's the dinner I made: roast chicken breast with mashed potatoes, gravy, and broccoli rabe. It was a very comforting and perfect meal for this Christmas season. Before we move on, I want to invite you to join the Chic Society channel memberships here on the Daily Connoisseur. In the Chic Society, I do one podcast every Friday and we do a live Zoom call once a month. Our latest one was a virtual Christmas tea party and it was so fun. We also have an optional pen pal program where daily connoisseurs are writing to each other from all around the world. Membership is only $1.99 a month. There are also upper tiers as well who get monthly mentions in the videos. And now I'm going to share the elegant connoisseurs with you. They are the top tier members in the Chic Society channel memberships. The 90-Day Novel with Alan Watt, beginning January 13th, 2025. Jenny Williams from Carrot Top Paper Shop. The Elegant Eating Handbook, Timeless Strategies for Lasting Weight Loss and a Peaceful Relationship with Food by Elaine Brisebois. Guy Blaise, author of Love Like the French, A Guide to Better Romance and Relationships. Dr. Kate Philbin, transpersonal psychologist and professionally certified life and executive coach. Carrie Van Hooser, author of 'Tis the Season for Poetry. And thank you to the following: Catherine Ray, Anne-Marie Ramsey, Heather Barrera, Jenny Candelaria, Jet Raleigh Heron, Gina K. Henry, Kate Holmes, Kelly Ruel, Linda Eckloff, Maria Condor, Nicole Brignol, Tina Hugao, and Pamela B. Bartol. Thank you so much for joining me today. There's only 2 videos left this year. I can't believe it. I'll see you in the next one. And in the meantime, keep calm, remain classy, and take care of yourself. Love, Jennifer.